You are welcome to episode 53, coordinate geometry. Like I said in the previous episode, that we are going to look at coordinate geometry in this episode. Coordinate geometry make use of x and y axis value in locating a point on the graph as shown below. Now we want to locate point A. First of all, we look at point A under x-axis. This one gives us 2, comma, and under y-axis it gives us 3. So we normally label x before y. Now let's locate B. This type of operation is known as coordinate geometry. Now let's locate point B on x-axis -2, y on y-axis we have it as 1. Then point C, which is this point, on x-axis it is -1, y on y-axis it is -2. Then D, point D, let's locate point D. On x-axis it is 3, y on y-axis it is -3. So at this point we have x to be positive, y also to be positive. At this point we have x to be negative, y, our y will be positive. At this junction we have x to be negative, y, our y is negative. But at this junction our x is positive, y, our y is negative. Now we move on to derivation of distance between 2 points in a coordinate geometry. Assuming we have point A and point P with ungiven coordinates, we want to get the distance between A and B, not the slope. So we have change in x here, which is the same thing as x2 minus x1. Then we have change in y here, which is y2 minus y1. So we can get the distance between these 2 points by making use of Pythagoras theorem, since this one is at right angle. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say that hypotenuse square, which is AB we are looking for, should be equal to adjacent square, which is BC, plus opposite square, which is AC. So if we introduce the variables, AB squared will now be x2 minus x1 all in square plus y2 minus y1 all in square. But we are not looking for AB square, rather we are looking for AB, distance between point A and B. We square root both sides to get our value, that is x2 minus x1 all in square plus y2 minus y1 all in square. Let us call this one equation 1 under coordinate geometry, where we are going to be referring to this equation in the subsequent episode. Please help us share and like the video to as many as possible. In the next episode, we are going to be looking at the slope or gradient in coordinate geometry. Likewise, we will look at equation of a straight line in coordinate geometry. Till then, stay tuned and remain blessed.